Mom wrote this for Mimi, guys.
Karen and Jeff.
Karen and Jeff. Goodbye, missing you already. Oh, that is so cute. It's so sweet. It's gonna
And
fly.
it says, the earrings are a memento of love and care you have given Paris. You are an angel.
Mahilak niya yan.
Nagilak na ako ano.
Say yes.
Place.
Say yes. Say yes. Again?
No.
Oh, no naman. Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Friday everyone. It is Friday afternoon. I work from home today, guys, and I just finished. It's already 5:30 in the afternoon and I am on my way to Footscray. So Tita and Mimi, they went to the city this morning and they caught the train, but now they stopped in, I think, Footscray station, so they want me to pick them up. And then Daddy also called me saying that he wants me to pick him up at the train station. So I said, everyone just wait in Footscray. I'll come and rescue you all. So yeah, that's where I'm going. And guys, I'm carrying shoes because Mimi is wearing one of my sandals and she's saying that it hurts so much now because they've been walking around all day and she needs something comfortable. So I'm bringing these shoes because it's gonna help her, and then I'm gonna go drive now, guys. So I'm just gonna take you with me. So see you soon. So I'm currently at Savers, guys, because I told them that we're going to meet here and they're not even here yet. So I'm just gonna look around while waiting. Guys, I'm in the kids section. I'm gonna see something for Paris. Oh, they're here. Hello, princess. Hi. What's that? A boot. Give Mama Karo. Well, someone found her toy. Oh, beep beep. Beep beep. Wow, good girl, honey. The horn and the basket. Beep beep beep. Nigda na si nanay ito. Nakapuli na siya sa iyang shoe S, guys.
Sakit ka.
Yan na, diha. Trying hard kasi itong piyos kayo. So guys, Mimi went to the city, guys, to meet a few of our friends and also Mike's mom for lunch. So because Mimi's going home next week and they gave her something, guys. What's in there? Oh, Mom wrote this for Mimi, guys.
Karen and Jeff.
Karen and Jeff. Goodbye, missing you already. Oh, that is so cute. It's so sweet. Yes. Who's that? Pig.
Then Pandora.
Pig.
Atag ni
Oh,
Karen.
nice.
Earrings. It's earrings like wings. Looks like wings.
Wings gonna
And
fly.
it says, the earrings are a memento of love and care you have given Paris. You are an angel.
Mahilak niya yan.
Nagilak na ako ano.
Oh, someone else. Yeah.
Meet up place ang Savers.
Meeting up place. Savers. She's there, Bobby. There. Yeah, guys, that's so sweet.
Then Jeff. Iyan Jeff then. Dear Mimi, it's been wonderful having you here to love and care Paris. You have been invaluable. Paris, Jovi, Michael, and both Jeff and I have loved having you as part of our family. We'll miss you very much. You're a beautiful soul. Hope to see you again soon. Mwah. Love and kisses. Karen and Jeff.
That's very nice. That's so sweet, Mom.
What do you got?
And ate, Pandora ya. Earrings. earring.
Oh, cute.
Looks like an angel. That's why she
Fly.
said, memento of the love and care you have given Paris.
Yeah. It's very sweet. How are you, Daddy?
And Ate Wing. Ate Wing's giving me this.
Wings.
And Ate Wing, give me this one.
I'm gonna buy it for you.
Iyan ang daw pabaon sa ako.
Wow. Yeah, dato ka siya, guys. Oh.
Nawala.
Ate Weng, baka naman. Ako man ng 20, diba? Yung sa Ate Weng, nag-take siya sa ako na ng 20.
And Ate Maha. Ate Maha give me 50.
Yeah.
It's in my bag.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's go do something, Abby. Can you help me?
We're here.
Lolo pa man good.
Everyone's here. Everyone's here, my good.
O, abi na ako sa road.
Yes.
Bakit nagkikiko ka rin?
Hala! Nagwapo ko na siya karon. Hala! We're gonna find something to eat here at Footscray.
Kasi na yung nataga ka.
Dinner.
Sa kiwi.
Gonna get dinner. So we just ordered our food. Paris is watching nursery rhymes, so she's not gonna go crazy. We just finished dinner. Did you like your food, honey? Did you like the roti? We just kiss mama. Clap hands. Yay! Can you say yes? Say yes.
Please.
Say yes. Say yes.
Thanks.
Again?
No.
Oh, no naman. Dato. Yes.
Yes.
Dato ka mong tita guys. Ang grabe yung bag. Dubuli.
Baba. See.
Plane.
Okay.
Car. Ang kimak ba? Nasa sakyan. Ay, nasa Everyone's in the car now. We are going home.
All aboard!
All aboard!
All aboard!
Madam Gazelle. Oh, it's too bright. It's currently 8:12 at night, and we're all full from our dinner. Thank you, Daddy, for your dinner, Daddy.
You're welcome.
But yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope that you like it. Please give this a thumbs up if you did, and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Be careful.
Daddy, may na kayo.
Subscribe.
Hustler na kayo na.
Subscribe.
Subscribe mo guys ha, please. Bye.